Hello students, today we will start with experiment number 7 of our first semester. The aim of the experiment is you are given 0.08 normal HCl solution. Determine the strength of given X normal K2CO3 in terms of normality and grams per liter. So from this aim you can see we will be using two reagents. One is HCl and the normality of HCl is already given, which is 0.08 normal, and with the help of this we have to find the normality of K2CO3 solution, which is X normal. That means it is unknown for us. So while doing this experiment we have to find the normality of K2CO3 solution, and also we have to find its strength in grams per liter. The requirements of this practical: for this we need burette. This burette is of 25 ml, 0, 25. Then we need pipette. This pipette is of 10 ml. Then we need two beakers. These are of 50 ml. Then we need conical flask, then methyl orange, which will be used as indicator. Then we need funnel. Before starting the procedure, we have to clean all the apparatus with water and rinse the burette and pipette with HCl and K2CO3 solutions respectively. We'll see the procedure for this experiment. We will fill the burette with HCl with the help of funnel. After this, you will set the meniscus at 0. As you can see, it is a transparent liquid. Now we will take 10 ml of K2CO3 solution with the help of pipette, and we will take it in the conical flask. After this we will add methyl orange, which will act as an indicator in this experiment. Now you can see the color. Right now it is yellow in color. Now we will start adding HCl solution drop by drop while continuous stirring till the end point comes. At the end point, the yellow color will change to orange. Now you can see the color. Right now it is orange in color. So this is the end point of this titration. Now we will see the reading in the burette. You can see the lower meniscus is at 8.8. After taking first reading, we have seen that the burette reading came out to be 8.8 ml. That means for complete neutralization of 10 ml of K2CO3, 8.8 ml of 0.08 normal HCl has been used. So at that point we got the end point. But we have to repeat this procedure 3 times. and then we will note down the 3 readings. So for that we will make this observation table. You can see this is observation table. In this, first this one is serial number, second is initial reading, then final reading, then difference, then constant. Now how you will fill this? You have to make this observation table like this. There are serial number, we have 3 points, 1, 2 and 3. That means we will be taking minimum 3 readings in this procedure of the experiment. So initial reading we have taken as 0.0 ml. Then as you have seen the procedure, the bureau reading was 8.8 ml. That is why we have written 8.8 ml in the final reading of first. Then difference, that means how much HCl has been consumed, that is 8.8 ml. Similarly, we will fill the burette again and we will set the lower meniscus at 0, and then we will again titrate, take out 10 ml of K2CO3 solution in the conical flask, and we will repeat the procedure in the same way as we had done for the first one. So second time also here we got 8.8 ml of HCl has been consumed for complete neutralization of 0.08 normal HCl. Then we will take third reading. Again we will fill the burette with HCl. Then again we will set the lower meniscus at 0. Then again we will titrate 10 ml of K2CO3, and then in the same way we will pipette out 10 ml of K2CO3 in the conical flask. Then again we will titrate it with HCl in the same way we had taken previous 2 readings. So here also we got 8.8 ml. So you can see the difference, that is 8.8 ml. Now what is constant? Constant means, suppose here we have taken, we got all the 3 readings same, but suppose if you are doing this practical, in first you got 8.8 ml, in second time you got 8.9 ml, in the third you got 8.8 ml. So constant means the 2 readings which are exactly same, so that we will keep as a constant. So here the constant is 8.8 ml. Now you can see the statement. As you can see in the chart, statement is dash ml of 0.08 normal HCl is required for complete neutralization of 10 ml of X normal K2CO3 solution. So here what will be the dash? Dash means how much HCl has been consumed for the complete neutralization of 10 ml of K2CO3 solution. So here in the place of dash you will write 8.8 ml. Now we will see the calculation. So what will be the calculation? For this we will use the formula N1V1 is equals to N2V2. Now what is N1V1 and N2V2? For this you can see here N1 is normality of HCl, which is already provided in the aim, that is known 0.08 normal. Now what is V1? Volume of HCl, which is BR. Here BR is burette reading. Then N2, normality of K2CO3, which is unknown, that we have to find after doing this whole experiment. So here we have kept as X normal. Then what is V2? Volume of K2CO3, that is 10 ml, which we pipette out, which we had pipette out in the conical flask. So that is also known for us. So while putting all these things and by using this formula, we can find the normality of K2CO3. So In this way you will write, see, N1 V1 divided by V2. So N2 will be, N1 is 0.08 normal, which is already given. Then Br is 8.8 divided by 10. So we will get the normality of K2CO3 as 0.0704 normal. Now the second thing we have to find out is strength of the solution. That is in grams per liter. We find the strength in grams per liter. For that we will use the formula normality into equivalent weight. So here normality is normality of K2CO3, which we have found here in the first part. So we will multiply this with equivalent weight of what? K2CO3. So equivalent weight of K2CO3 is 69. So we will multiply both of them, 0.0704 multiplied by 69. We will get the strength as 4.8576 grams. Okay. So this is the result. So what will the result? After doing all the practical, all this experiment, you will make table like this. So in this first column, that means the solution is K2CO3. So normality of the solution K2CO3 is 0.0704 normal. Then its strength is 4.8576 grams. So this is the result of this experiment number 8.